Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Techavro. Hope you guys having a great day. In this video I'm gonna walk through how can you put emoji on picture on iPhone or iPad. So guys, at first just go to the picture that you want to put emoji. Now after going to the picture, in the top right here you can see edit. Just click on edit. Now after clicking on edit, in the top second right here you can see there is a pencil icon. Click on here. And after clicking it, in the bottom right side there is a plus icon. Just click on that plus icon. Now here you can see add text, the third option. Click on add text. Now just double click on the text, cut the text and just select the emoji that you want. Now after selecting the emoji, just go back and you can just click on this emoji. Now after clicking on this emoji, here you can see in the bottom right, which is 60 in my case, just click on that number and you can just make the emoji big or small, and you can just put the emoji anywhere you want. Now after that, just click the top right done and the emoji will be on the picture. So guys, that's how you can put emoji on picture. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find it helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Techavro. Thank you so much for watching the video.